Hello students, welcome to the online classes of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding angle between the given curve. Two curves are mentioned here. What are those two curves? Curve says r is equal to 6 cos theta and r is equal to 2 times 1 plus cos theta. Fine. Since these two curves will be considered, so I'll be considering the first curve r is equal to 6 times cos theta and other one is r is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Fine. Since these curves are polar curve, so apply log on both sides. Then it becomes logarithm r is equal to logarithm of 6 plus logarithm of cos theta. Fine. Then differentiating this with respect to theta, which provides 1 divided by r into dr by d theta is equal to 0. Logarithm of 6 differentiation is 0 because log 6 is a constant, plus 1 divided by cos theta, and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Therefore, 1 by r into dr by d theta can be taken as cot pi 1. Then it is minus sin theta by cos theta is minus tan theta. Fine, minus tan theta. Then we need to convert this minus tan theta, so we need to push it to second quadrant when we want to take it as a cotrigonometric, that is cot. So it becomes cot 90 degree plus theta. 90 degree plus theta. Fine. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. So this is the first angle between radius vector and tangent. Fine. This is the first angle between radius vector and tangent. Similarly, we will be taking other curve for consideration. Then we apply log on both sides. So it becomes log r is equal to logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of this whole bracket. Don't try to split this by using logarithm, which does not exist. Okay, as per logarithm identity. Then differentiating with respect to theta. Differentiating it with respect to theta provides 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to differentiation of log 2 is 0. Then plus differentiation of log of 1 plus cos theta is 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta, and differentiation of this bracket provides 0, and differentiation of cos is minus sin theta. Therefore, this can be considered as cot pi 2, and this is minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Fine. Then this will be considered as cot pi 2 is equal to, how do you write this sin theta? That is minus 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by, how do you write this 1 plus cos theta? 2 times cos square theta by 2. Therefore, 2 get cancelled and cos get cancels with. Therefore, cot pi 2 is equal to minus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, which is nothing but minus tan theta by 2. Fine, which is nothing but minus tan theta by 2. Therefore, again it will be cot pi 2 is equal to, since it is minus tan theta by 2, then again how do you write? Here also same thing we got, minus tan. So again it has to be pushed into second quadrant where it will be negative. So it becomes cot of 90 degree plus theta by 2. Cot of 90 degree plus theta by 2. So this is the second angle. This cannot be called as second angle. So I'll be taking its proper angle, that is pi 2. So it is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So this will be called as So second angle between radius vector and tangent. Therefore, what else is required? We need to obtain the angle of intersection. Therefore, angle of intersection between two curve is equal to mod pi 1 minus pi 2. Fine, pi 1 minus pi 2. Therefore, which is equal to, what is pi 1? Pi by 2 plus theta minus pi 2 is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Okay, which is nothing but pi by 2 plus theta, then minus pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Fine. So this will be calculated as, let us see what it is now. This will be considered as pi by 2 is gone. Fine. This is gone. It get cancelled. Then theta minus theta by 2 means 1 minus half will be half. So positive. So it is mod theta by 2. Fine. Which is nothing but theta by 2. Therefore, the angle of intersection between 2 points is pi 1 minus mod pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to theta by 2. But we cannot call it as the perfect angle here because we don't know what exactly this theta is. So what to do? To find theta, let us consider the given curve. One is r is equal to 6 into cos theta. This has to be done all the time. I will call it as A. This has to be done all the time. If the angle of intersection between two curves comes with theta, then theta has to be calculated. From where theta will be calculated? Theta will be calculated from the given curve itself by considering both the curve. First curve is r is equal to 6 cos theta. Second is r is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. This is called as B. Okay. So solving these two, we will be getting theta. What to do? R is equal to something, R is equal to something. Therefore, equate RHS. Therefore, it becomes 6 times cos theta is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Fine. So here we can take this result as, it can be taken as 1 za 3 za. Therefore, it is 3 times cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. If this cos theta comes to the other end, then it becomes 3 cos theta minus cos theta will be 2 times cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Fine. What is cos inverse 1 by 2? Which is equal to pi by 3. Means, what is the angle? Pi by 3, which is nothing but 60 degree. Fine. So this is the value of theta. Therefore, substitute theta is equal to pi by 3 in equation number 1. I will be calling it as equation number 1. Okay. Therefore, mod pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to theta by 2. Means it is pi by 3 divided by 2, which is nothing but pi by 6. That is 30 degree. Therefore, the angle between point of intersection between two curves is